Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at the DREAME X60 Max Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum and Mop, a flagship robotic cleaning system engineered for fully automated home cleaning with extreme suction power, advanced AI navigation, self-cleaning technology, and premium hands-free convenience. If you want one of the most powerful and intelligent robot vacuum systems available today, the X60 Max Ultra Complete is designed to deliver a near-fully autonomous cleaning experience. The first thing that stands out is the incredible 35,000 Pa suction power. This is an extremely high level of suction for a robot vacuum and makes a massive difference when cleaning carpets, rugs, hard floors, pet hair, fine dust, and deeply embedded debris. Whether you're dealing with heavy daily traffic or pet hair accumulation, the X60 Max Ultra is built for aggressive deep cleaning performance across multiple floor types. Another major highlight is the ultra-thin design. Many robot vacuums struggle to clean under low furniture, but the slim profile of the X60 Max Ultra allows it to reach beneath beds, couches, cabinets, and tight spaces much more effectively while still maintaining strong suction and navigation accuracy. The fully automated dock system is one of the biggest premium features here. The station handles self-emptying dust collection, automatic water refilling, and mop self-cleaning, dramatically reducing manual maintenance. Instead of constantly managing the robot yourself, the system automates most of the cleaning process for long-term convenience. Mopping performance is also highly advanced. The mop system actively cleans hard floors while automatically maintaining itself at the docking station. This helps improve floor hygiene while reducing odor and dirt buildup on the mop components after repeated cleaning sessions. Navigation is powered by advanced AI obstacle avoidance capable of recognizing and avoiding over 280 different household objects and obstacles. Combined with intelligent mapping technology, the robot navigates efficiently around cables, shoes, toys, furniture, pet bowls, and tight spaces with minimal collisions and fewer interruptions. For homes with pets or children, this obstacle avoidance system becomes extremely useful because it reduces the chances of the robot getting stuck or dragging around unexpected objects during cleaning. The smart app and voice control support allow users to customize room maps, cleaning schedules, no-go zones, suction settings, and mopping preferences directly from their phone or compatible voice assistants. This makes it easy to automate cleaning routines for different rooms and surfaces throughout the home. The overall build quality and modern white finish give the X60 Max Ultra a sleek premium appearance that fits naturally into modern smart homes. Combined with the fully automated maintenance system, this robot vacuum feels more like a complete cleaning assistant than a standard appliance. Overall, the DREAME X60 Max Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum and Mop is an exceptional flagship robotic cleaning system for users who want extreme suction power, intelligent AI navigation, advanced self-cleaning automation, and true hands-free floor maintenance. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more daily smart home and tech product reviews. And if you want to check out the DREAME X60 Max Ultra Complete for yourself, the Amazon link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.